This video is part of the shape series, and today we're going to be learning and drawing the triangle shape. Let's get to it. Our list of materials is over here. It's a short list. We're going to need a pencil, paper. You can use printer paper or you can use line paper, and an eraser. You can also use a ruler as well as a black marker or a black pencil crayon. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a shape that has three sides. There's different types of triangles, but the most important thing to remember is its number of sides. So some examples of things that are shaped like a triangle is pizza, a sailboat, a coat hanger, and a slice of watermelon. So now we're going to start drawing our triangle. So we're going to need our pencil, our paper, and our eraser. So first thing we're going to do is draw a line in the middle of our page from top to bottom, and then left to right, and then we should have 4 quadrants on our page. So once we have the 4 quadrants, we're going to choose 3 quadrants, and then we're going to draw a dot on the 3 quadrants that we chose. Now that we have 3 dots, we're going to connect the dots by drawing lines. You can use a ruler or you can do it freehand. So we're going to connect the dots here, and then from that dot to the bottom. And then we're just going to close our shape by connecting the 2 dots remaining. And there's a triangle. You can erase your guidelines, and there you go. So now we're going to draw a pizza. So again, we're going to draw our guidelines. A line going down, and then a line going left to right, or right to left. And then we're just gonna put a dot on 3 quadrants. So choose your 3 quadrants that you want to put your dots in. And then again, we'll just connect 1 dot to another dot. There's 1, there's another line going to the bottom dot. And then we just close the shape by connecting that dot to the initial dot. If you like, you can pause the video during each step, so you can draw each step at your own pace. Okay, so now we have the basic shape of a triangle. So I would use this horizontal line here on the top and draw another line just a little bit below it, just like that, to make it look like you have a pizza crust over here. All right, now that we have that, I would draw another line here just to show a little bit of depth. Right there, kind of like the side of the pizza slice there. And now we're gonna draw circles. All right, for the pepperoni. So there's 1 there, 1 here. So yeah, just scatter them. You can have as many as you like, but I would leave some space between them. And that's it. So you can use a black marker or a black pencil crayon to outline your drawing, and what it does is it makes your drawing stick out and more clear because of the contrast between the black ink on white paper. And there's a pizza slice. You can shade it in if you like, you can color it in if you have markers. Let's do a coat hanger. Again, a guideline. So we're gonna draw a dot over here on this quadrant, and then another dot on the bottom right quadrant, and then another dot on the line going from top to bottom, just over there, above the horizontal line. It's right about here. All right, then I would connect the dots like that. Got a basic shape of a coat hanger here. So now we're gonna draw the hook of the hanger. So hook is, it looks like a question mark. So we're gonna draw a question mark without the dot on top of our triangle here. And now we're gonna draw another triangle, a smaller one, inside the triangle that we have here already. So again, we're gonna draw our dots there, one here, and over here as well, and then just connect them. There you go, we got a coat hanger. Again, we can outline it if you have a marker. And when you're doing your drawings, you know, take your time. Make sure you relax. There you go, coat hanger. All right, so for our last drawing, we're gonna draw a sailboat. Lines there. I would start with the sail. So I would draw a dot here, and then here in this quadrant, and then another one in this quadrant. All right. Again, we'll connect the dots. Over there. And then I would draw, you could use this line here as a guideline to draw a pole where the sail gets supported on, and then draw a line over here just below this horizontal line of the sail, just a little bit below here, but shorter than the line that you have here. And then just do a curved line like that. You got a sailboat. If you want to add, you don't have to, you can add kind of like waves like that for water. You don't have to, but if you want, you can. Then I would just outline your main subject here. There you go. All right, and now we're gonna do a quick little test about triangles. Which of these shapes is a triangle? A, B, or C? The answer is which of these objects is shaped like a triangle? A cell phone, B, a clock, or C, a pizza? The answer is pizza. Which of these things is the shape of a triangle? A, sailboat, B, a microwave, or C, a basketball? The answer is A, sailboat. As part of this video lesson, we're going to have an online meeting / video chat where you can show your artwork and talk about them with the group. We're going to have a staff host and facilitate this meeting for everyone. The date and the time is on the description below. So join us. We would love to see and hear about your artwork. Thanks for watching this video, and see you soon.